Hi everyone, it's Andrew from RunSensible. In this video, we'll explore RunSensible's Matter Filters feature, which allows you to apply various filters to your matter list, making it easier to organize and locate cases efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Let's begin. RunSensible's Matters filtering feature streamlines the management and organization of your cases by allowing you to apply various filters to your matter list. This functionality enables you to quickly locate specific matters, saving time and enhancing efficiency. While the matter list is initially displayed in chronological order, with the most recent cases at the top, you can easily refine it using filters to pinpoint exactly what you need. Click on the Filter button at the top of your screen to reveal a list of filtering options. Choose from a range of filtering options based on your needs. These filters include Name. Simply type out the matter's name. Client. Filter matters for specific clients. Originating attorney. An originating attorney is the lawyer who begins a legal case for a client, providing initial legal advice and managing the case's early stages. By this filter, you get access to the cases at their first stages by the name of the originating attorney. Responsible attorney. This filter helps you identify matters assigned to a specific lawyer or staff member within your firm. By selecting the relevant user, you can easily view and manage matters delegated to individuals, streamlining workflows and fostering accountability. Open date. You could also filter matters based on the time they get started. Close date. Filter matters based on the time they get closed. Practice area. This filter enables you to sort matters by their respective legal practice areas. To apply the filter, click the plus sign next to the information name you want to filter by. Doing so opens a filtering panel with two main components, a drop-down menu and a search box. The drop-down menu provides several filtering options that determine how closely your search results will match the entered term. You can select options such as contains exactly or doesn't contain exactly, like, not like, starts with, ends with, depending on how precise you want the filter to be. Additionally, options like is empty or is not empty allow you to filter based on whether a field contains any data. When using these options, the search box will disappear as no search term is needed. For more advanced filtering, you can refine your results further by adding additional criteria. To do this, click the More button at the bottom of the panel, which will expand to reveal a second drop-down menu and search box. You can then set a second filtering condition using the same process. At this point, you must decide whether both conditions should be met simultaneously or if results matching either condition should be included, or from the right side drop-down menu. The system defaults to and, meaning the results must meet both criteria, but you can easily switch this to or to broaden the search. If you no longer need the second condition, remove it by clicking the X button next to the second search box. In situations where you need to apply multiple filters across different fields, RunSensible allows you to combine several criteria simultaneously. After defining one filter, move on to the next by selecting additional fields via the plus button. You can then establish values for each additional field, just as you did for the first. As with the dual value filter, you will need to decide if all criteria must be met or if the results can match any of the applied filters, or from the right side drop-down menu. This flexibility allows you to create highly customized search results that meet complex filtering needs across multiple fields. Once you've finished setting up your filters, click the Apply button located on the top left side of the filter panel to apply them and view the refined results. If, at any time, you wish to remove the filters and return to the full list of tasks, click the Clear button at the top of the panel. For convenience, RunSensible also provides the option to save your filters for future use. To do so, click the Save button at the top of the filter panel after you've set your filters. This will open the Save Current Filter panel, where you can enter a name for your filter. Once saved, you can easily retrieve it by searching for the filter name in the search box located at the top right of the filter panel. This feature allows you to quickly apply frequently used filters without the need to reconfigure the settings each time. Next is the Archive button, which, when clicked, filters the list to show only the matters that have been closed or resolved. The Favorite button, which filters the list to display only the matters you have marked as favorites. You can mark a matter as a favorite within its Detail panel. The Conflict of Interest is designed to ensure ethical compliance by helping law firms identify and avoid potential conflicts when taking on new cases. Client drop-down menu allows you to select a client to check for conflicts of interest. Then client name, their role, and responsible attorney will be displayed. Alternatively, after creating a new matter, you may encounter a warning indicating a potential conflict of interest. This warning will be triggered if the system detects a conflict between your current matter and existing contacts. When this occurs, a list will appear displaying the names of the contacts with whom the conflict exists. You can click on each name in the list to view their detailed information panel, allowing you to understand the nature of the conflict. Once you select the Conflict of Interest checked option, you are presented with two choices: clicking the OK button to proceed or the Cancel button to halt the process and allow for further review of the situation. Once your matter is saved, it will be added to the Matter list, where all your cases are organized and accessible. Within the Matter list, you can view your matters in one of two modes: Board View or Table View. The Board View mode helps you to gain better control over the status of each matter. In Board View, the focus is on the status of matters within each pipeline. The matters are displayed as cards under columns, with each column representing a different status within the selected pipeline. This visual layout allows you to see and manage matters based on their current status. You first need to select the pipeline you want to work with. Start by clicking on the Pipeline drop-down menu located at the top center of the screen. From the drop-down list, select the specific pipeline you wish to view. Remember, when you select a pipeline, only the matters related to that specific pipeline will be shown in the board view. If you have matters organized under different pipelines, you won't be able to see all of them at once in the board view. Instead, you will only see the matters associated with the pipeline you've chosen. To view matters from another pipeline, you will need to switch to that pipeline. In this mode, each stage of the pipeline you have selected is displayed as a column, with the matters corresponding to each status listed under the appropriate column. You can change the status of a matter by dragging it from one column and dropping it into the column that represents the desired status. This intuitive drag-and-drop functionality allows you to quickly update the progress of your matters as they move through different stages of the pipeline. In Board View mode, you can identify the client associated with each matter by looking at the hyperlink located at the top of the matter card. The client's name is displayed as a clickable link. By clicking on the client's name, you will be directed to their profile within the Contacts or Institutions section, where you can view detailed information about the client. If you want to access more detailed information about a specific matter, click on the matter's name, which is also presented as a hyperlink. Clicking on the matter's name will take you directly into the Matter's Details panel, where you can review and manage all aspects of the case. You can switch to the Table View mode, provides a well-organized and detailed overview of legal matters. Each matter is displayed in rows with columns that include essential information such as name, matter number, customer, matter pipeline, practice area, start date, and end date. By default, the matters list is displayed in Table View. Let's see how to customize columns in Table View. To customize these columns, start by clicking the Grid Customization button located at the top left corner. This will open a detailed customization menu where you can tailor the layout to meet your specific needs. This mode highlights the 7 most important fields for each matter, presenting them as columns that allow you to quickly review and compare key information across all your cases. If you want to reorder the columns, locate the Reorder button next to each column name. Click and hold this button, then drag the column to your desired position within the list. This allows you to arrange the columns in a way that prioritizes the most relevant information for your workflow. To rename a column so that it better reflects the data it represents, click directly on the current name within the title column. This will enable you to edit and update the name to something more appropriate. To adjust the visibility of each column, go to the Width column within the Customization panel. Here, you can modify the width of individual columns by entering a new numerical value, ensuring that all your data is displayed clearly and fits within your preferred layout. On the right side of the panel, you will find the Show column, which contains toggle buttons. These buttons allow you to show or hide specific columns in table view mode, helping you focus on the most critical information and declutter your screen. After you have made all your adjustments, click the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen. In this mode, you can sort your matters by clicking on the name of any column. When you first click on a column name, the data in that column will be sorted in ascending order, meaning it will arrange the entries from least to most. After sorting, a small arrow will appear on the right side of the column name. If you wish to sort the data in descending order, from most to least, click on this arrow. The arrow will change direction, indicating the new sort order. If you decide to remove the sorting applied to a column, you can do so by clicking the X button that appears next to the column name after sorting. In this mode, two buttons on the left side of each matter provide quick actions. The first button is the Quick View button. When you click on this button, a small panel will appear on the right side of your screen, displaying the details of the selected matter without requiring you to exit the matters list. The second option is Remove, which allows you to permanently delete the matter from your list, making it no longer accessible or visible in the system. Next to Pipeline, you will find a search box. You can use this search box to quickly locate a specific matter by typing in its name. When you are in the Table View mode, the default setting is configured to display 30 matters per page. If the total number of matters exceeds this limit, they will automatically be divided across multiple pages, allowing for easier navigation and management. To move between these pages, locate the page numbers displayed at the bottom left corner of the mats list. These numbers represent the different pages containing additional matters. To view the matters on a specific page, click on the corresponding page number. This action will take you directly to that page, where you can see the next set of matters listed. If you prefer to see more or fewer matters on each page, you can customize the number of matters displayed. To do this, locate the Items per Page box, which can be found at the bottom right corner of the list. By entering a different number into this box, you can change how many matters are shown on each page. For example, if you input a higher number, more matters will be displayed on a single page, reducing the number of pages you need to navigate through. Conversely, entering a lower number will result in fewer matters per page, spreading them across more pages. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. As always, we want to thank you for choosing RunSensible.